Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Joe PDN, over 9,000 here. And I'm here with my father, Miles Lee.
What's up? Thank you.
Okay, that's too far. Yeah, but we're on the road again. We're going to the coffee shop.
That's right. What are we gonna do at the coffee shop? What are we doing at the coffee shop?
Doing my work.
Doing what work?
My homework.
Homework?
My digital work.
My digital school work.
Woo!
So, any children out there, they gotta stay home today because of snow and the ice on the road.
You better do your homework.
Make sure you do your work.
It smells! But so we're doing some homework. Can I get a yee for that? Okay, no homework isn't that good. Oh, so you like it when I cry? Say hello, Dad.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's a crashed car.
They still got him over here trying to get him out. Oh,
Guys, there's a crashed car. He's slow. Everybody, look at this. He's the slowest car trying to get out of the snow. He's almost getting out, hopefully.
Go ahead.
You better not be cursing at us.
No, he's alright.
We made it through him. Oh my gosh, there's so many people on this road. I think we're in traffic, guys. Say hello to the camera. She says hello. She says hello. Oh, what's happening? Guys, we're stopped in traffic for no reason. Guys, can I get a offer? Can someone please give me a walk? Thank you, editor. Thank you. I know, right? Look at them. We have our own audience, though. I don't know where they are, though. Oh, look at here. Say clap, everybody. See? Oh, you can't see them. They're imaginary. They're taking too long. Can someone give me a walk? Look.
Uh-oh.
I almost got it. But look at this. They're going so slow. I know, right? Look at them. No one follows today. Guys, we just squeezed through. Let's go, Dad.
Alright.
We're on the road again. Seeing things we may never see again. Like that car drifting into the snow.
I think we'll see a lot of other people drifting on ice in our lives, because people do that.
Yeah.
Not unless they make a car that flies, which that is to come.
Hopefully.
Pump your gas. They trying to push the gas. You supposed to pump the gas. All you need is to keep the tires going forward.
Like this morning, I did this. I drifted out with my family. We almost drifted straight into a car.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Can everybody get your trumpets out and do it? Yep.
Oh. All right, now you better stop kissing you that much.
I can't stop. They're kissing my head now. Help me! I can't stop. Okay, I'm done. They left. They died. I killed them all. Hallelujah. Alright. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how we go?
I said hello. You're supposed to answer.
Hello, how are you?
Oh my gosh, if you do not answer me first, I will end you.
Don't do that to me. Oh no.
Finally, you answered. Now shut up, you stupid manna.
I don't understand.
Yes, you do. You're just talking. You sound like a moose. Are you a moose? Can I kill you for food?
No, you can't kill me for food. I need to live so I can doo-doo and make good soil.
Okay. Okay. Can I at least have that knife that you're holding?
No,
Why not?
I needed to cut down all the trees.
I will help you. I will cut them down for you.
No, I have to do it so I know what it is to work.
Thank you.
Oh no, he stole my knife.
I'm cutting down the trees.
Oh, someone call the squirrel police.
Nope. Run. They're right behind me. Ah!
Excuse me, sir. Was it you who stole the young moose's knife?
No. I saw the guy run up a tree, though.
You saw the guy go up the tree.
Yes.
What kind of guy was he?
He looked like a turtle.
He looked like a turtle climbing up a tree
Yes. And he
Really?
had sharp claws.
with sharp claws. Really?
Yes. And he looked like this. He almost killed me with that knife.
So he looks like you climbing up a tree.
What the heck, man?
As a
Don't
turtle.
judge. He's my brother. Okay.
Oh, now he's your brother.
Shut up.
Now he's your brother.
Saying shut up.
So, are you gonna tell? Excuse me.
Let me have this.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
So, is he your twin brother?
Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about
The thief
no,
or whoever he is? I don't
no,
know. Who are you talking about?
Black Panther. That's what I'm talking about.
I mean, I found his mask.
You found his mask.
It was
Nobody but the person who wears the mask can have the mask. So how did you find the mask?
the real me. Guess what?
I like that. You a puddin'. You a nasty little boy.
I am a man! No one talk to me like that. Sing! What? Wait, who said that? Everyone shut up or else you die. Hey, are you still alive?
You can't kill me.
Can a gun kill you?
No.
Bang!
I'm impenetrable.
Will dynamite kill you? I don't care. Bam!
I don't understand why you have to hit me.